welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Oyin Consola Jaja. In today's video, I am going to show you all you need in order to start your art journey in Nigeria. As a beginner artist in Nigeria, you are gonna say, because I have seen lots of YouTube video and I am just not satisfied. Okay, in the learning aspect I was satisfied, but in the aspect of knowing the things that I know now, I was not satisfied. I ended up finding out everything I know as an artist offline. I am going to teach you everything I wish I knew when I started my art journey. So if you want to know everything I know now as an artist, click the subscribe button so that you're going to see my video anytime I drop a new video for you. So back to today's topic, where I'll be teaching you everything you need in order to start your art journey. You don't have to buy the whole world before you start your art journey, because I bought lots of things that I ended up regretting. Not like regrets, but things I did not need. I ended up buying it when I started my art journey. But I am going to teach you, I am going to guide you, I am going to hold your hand and take you along so that you won't make the same mistake that I made when I started my art journey. This is the pencil I use, General Charcoal Pencil. General Charcoal Pencil. You see how it is, how it looks like. General Charcoal Pencil. So I needed to get the hard, the soft, and the medium. So I got 2B hard, 4B medium, and 6B soft in my General Charcoal Pencil. And if you have money, if you're not on your budget like me, you can get the whole pack of General Charcoal Pencil. So the next thing you need to have as a beginner, artist, is your Mono Zero eraser. So this my eraser is Tombow Mono Zero eraser. This eraser is just the banger. The sauce in it, the magic. So I use this to highlight. So the next thing you need to have on the knife is your normal regular pencil for the sketch, preferably HB, and you have 2B too well. So in graphite pencil, I use Stedler pencil. So this is Stedler pencil. If you are a graphite artist, you prefer to use graphite, you should get Stedler pencil. And when you want to get Stedler pencil, this is just my advice. You can get the whole pack, because when I first started, I got the whole pack of Stedler pencil. But no, you should get the 2B, the 4B, the 6B, the 8B, and I think 9B is the darkest, or 8B. Just make sure you get the darkest 8B, 4B, 2B. Just get those pencils and not get the whole pack of Stedler pencils. And if you want to get it, fine, it is not that expensive. But I made a mistake. Most of the pencils I'm not using now. I am not using most of the pencils I got. So most of the Stedler pencils, I am not using most of the set in that Stedler pencil now. So if you are a graphite artist, you prefer to use graphite pencil and not charcoal pencil, that is the set of graphite pencil you should get for yourself. So I use this, my brush, and my beauty blender to blend my drawing. Another thing you need to have as an artist is your file. So I think there's a normal regular file for artists, but then I am on a budget. So if you had to, you don't have to look for materials, just get this file. So this is normal regular file. So this is, let me show you the real regular nail file. This one just came with press on nail. So this is a normal regular nail file. So you can get this normal regular nail file for just 200 naira at most. So this normal regular file is what I use. So what do I use this file for? I use it to get my charcoal powder. I'm grinding my pencil on the file to get charcoal powder. So that is, and you can also get your charcoal powder if you can. So you don't have to use all your pencil, but then this is what so this are just all the basic things you need to get in order to start your own art journey. So now that I've given you the solutions, you don't have any excuse not to start your own art journey. You should start today. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that this video will go to more upcoming artists just like you. And stay tuned for the next tip I'm going to be dropping on this channel. Nice alt free tips just for you. So all you need to do to support me back as I am dropping these tips for you is just subscribe to my channel so that this video will be able to reach more people. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I'm going to reply you as soon as I see your question. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. See you in the next one. Bye.